Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 83, Mensurations, section C, Achiever, toughest one. Fill in the blanks. The perimeter of a rectangle becomes dash times its original perimeter if the length and the breadth are doubled. Here, length and breadth are made, suppose if length and breadth are L and B. So they are doubled, they become 2L and 2B. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B, right? Total yes, sum of the sides. Okay. So new perimeter will be what? 2 into, instead of L it will be 12 and here it will be 2B. So 4 into L plus B. So equals to what? Again make it 2 into bracket 2 into L plus B, right? Break this 4 into 2 into 2. So 2 into L plus B is what? Original perimeter, right? So 2 into original perimeter, right? So it becomes, new perimeter becomes 2 times that of the original perimeter. 2 times is the answer. Next, the curved surface area of a cylinder is reduced by dash percent if the height is half of the original height. Means there is a cylinder which has a curved surface area. Now what we do is reduce the height of that cylinder by half. So what will be the effect on the curved surface area? That's what is required. See here in exams sometimes they might say closed cylinder, sometimes they might say open cylinder. But let it be anything, problem doesn't change. See here, for the original cylinder, curved surface area is what? Circumference into height. So pi d into h, right? Now new height what we have done? We have halved it, means reduced it by half. So new curved surface area will be what? Pi d into h by 2, right? But pi d into h is what? Original curved surface area. So curved surface area original upon 2, right? So upon 2 means 50%, right? So that's the required answer. Next, opposite faces of a cuboid are dash in area. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.